Israel planted device to spy on Trump report. Israel detains 11 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Netanyahu's Jordan Valley plan violates law, UN spokesman. Jordan calls UN Security Council to react against Netanyahu's plans. Pakistan rejects Israel's new annex plan. 350,000 people displaced in Yemen in 2019, UN. Trump and Bolton splits on easing Iran's sanctions, report. Sudanese protesters demands judicial reforms. US Senate passes bipartisan Unigar Act against China. Bangladesh UN assist monsoon victims in Cox's Bazar. Suicide bombing kills 4 soldiers in Afghanistan. UN chief calls for dialogue amid Kashmir tensions.